Most guys want to look good, but the truth is you don't need surgery, filters, or fake flex. What you really need is to fix the small things that make a big difference. So let's go step by step. I will tell you the problem and then the solution that actually works. 1. Clothing and fashion. You wear random clothes that don't fit your body, wrong colors that don't suit your skin tone, and you have no sense of coordination. Even if your face is handsome, bad fashion makes you look average. Focus on fitting first. Clothes should hug your body properly. Slim fit is always better than baggy for t-shirts, shirts, and jeans. Choose the right colors. Stick to basics like white, black, gray, navy, and beige. These always look premium. Add 1 or 2 bold colors only if it matches your skin tone. Coordinate your outfit. Do not mix too many colors. 2 or 3 colors maximum in one outfit is enough. Shoes matter. 1 pair of clean white sneakers, 1 pair of black trainers, and 1 pair of formal shoes will cover almost every occasion. Accessories hacks. A simple minimal watch with a leather or metal strap. A thin silver or gold chain, not oversized. 1 or 2 simple rings. And the most powerful of all, a good perfume. Fragrance makes people remember you even more than your clothes. 2. Hairstyle. Most guys keep the same haircut for years or blindly copy an actor's hairstyle without checking their own face shape. A wrong hairstyle makes your face look unbalanced. Check your face shape with a selfie using an AI tool or app. Search for hairstyles that suit that face shape. Go to a good salon at least once, spend the money and get the right haircut, then keep repeating it every 3 to 4 weeks at your local barber. Use basic hair products like shampoo, conditioner, and a styling cream or wax for finishing. Your hairstyle is the frame of your face. A good cut is an instant upgrade in looks. 3. Skincare. Acne, dullness, dark spots, and uneven tone make you look older and tired. Most guys either do nothing or use random products without consistency. Follow a simple 4-step routine. First, wash your face morning and night with a gentle face wash, not harsh soap. Second, apply a serum. Vitamin C in the morning to brighten, and niacinamide at night to reduce spots and acne. Third, use a moisturizer that suits your skin type. Oil-free if your skin is oily. Fourth, apply sunscreen every morning before going outside. This is non-negotiable. It prevents tanning, pigmentation, and early aging. Extra care. Exfoliate once a week with a mild scrub. Sleep 7 to 8 hours daily. Drink water and eat fruits for internal skin care. If acne is serious, visit a dermatologist once. Stay consistent for at least 2 to 3 months and your skin will naturally transform. 4. Body and physique. Skinny, fat, overweight, or shapeless bodies ruin your overall look. Even with good clothes, if your body has no structure, you will not look aesthetic. For men, 12 to 18% body fat looks most aesthetic. At home, do push-ups, pull-ups, squats, and planks. If you go to the gym, focus on compound lifts like bench press, rows, squats, and deadlifts. Focus on the main features of an aesthetic body. A strong neck and wide shoulders create a V shape. A broad chest and defined abs show masculinity. A wide back makes your waist look smaller. Thick forearms show strength. And never skip legs because strong legs balance proportions. Keep your weight in a healthy average range. Looksmaxxing is not about being huge, it is about being balanced and aesthetic. 5. Posture. Even with good clothes and a good body, if your posture is bad, you will look shorter, weaker, and less confident. Most guys slouch their shoulders or bend their necks without even realizing it. Stand tall. Keep your shoulders back, chest slightly open, and chin at a natural level. Do not look down or hunch forward. Sit straight when working or studying. Your back should touch the chair and feet should be flat on the ground. Good posture can instantly make you look 2 inches taller, sharper, and more confident without changing anything else. 6. Grooming and maintenance. Patchy beard, messy eyebrows, dirty nails, and random body hair make you look unhygienic. If your beard is patchy, keep stubble or go clean shave. If you have a full beard, trim and line it regularly. Clean extra eyebrow hair, but do not overpluck. Trim nails once a week. Take a daily shower and always use deodorant. 7. Lifestyle. Even after fixing everything, if your lifestyle is unhealthy, your looks will slowly go down. Sleep 7 to 8 hours every night. Eat clean with more protein, fruits, and vegetables. Drink water throughout the day. Reduce junk food, alcohol, and smoking. Stay consistent with grooming and workouts. Conclusion. Looksmaxxing is not about one magic trick. It is about fixing every small problem step by step. Start with clothing and accessories, then hairstyle, skincare, body, posture, grooming, and lifestyle. Do this for 3 to 6 months and your entire presence will transform. People will not just notice you, they will respect you. And one more thing. I can't explain everything in detail in this short video. I have a lot more knowledge about looksmaxxing, but it will come step by step, so comment down what you want next and I'll make that video soon. For more information and helpful content, subscribe to VMaxter YouTube channel. And if you have personal questions, DM me on Instagram. The link is pinned in the comment.